everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Jackie, and yeah, so I do have a pimple and I was picking at it, so it got like irritated, so that's that. So school has started already and today was my third day, but while I'm maybe when I post this it might be my fourth day. So yeah, so today I'm gonna do like a really quick like kind of get ready video kind of thing, like a makeup look. Like say you want to, like, you're running late to school and you want to put on some makeup, but you don't want to put on a lot because you know you're running late, you don't want to be too late or something like that. And so you want to be you want to put on something really quick on in like less than 5 minutes, but still look like you look put together a little bit. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do for you. I'm gonna do that look today. So yeah, so first thing we're gonna use is this Olay Complete All Day Moisturizer with sunscreen, and you obviously need to put on sunscreen, guys, at least some lotion on your face because it's like hot outside. You want your face to look a little moisturized. So yeah, and use some primer. So this is a NYX Born to Glow illuminating primer, and I'm just gonna get a little bit of this because I also want to look a little glowy since I am not gonna be putting on highlight, and I just want that extra little small glow. So I'm gonna put this like right here, and that's it, like just to have that small, that nice glow. So then I'm not gonna be putting on foundation or nothing, but if you want to, you could use like a BB cream and just like put it on your face really quick and then you're done. But I'm just gonna put on concealer, and this is the Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand, and I'm just gonna put that like right here in my inner corner because I do want to cover up circles, and if just in case you want to cover up that too. And I have this pimple, so I'm gonna want to cover this up too. So yeah, and I'm just gonna get the this beauty sponge and just go over it. Just blend. The concealer's applied, and you could tell that I have some on, but you can't tell that much, so that's good. And I look like a little more like a little wide awake, like have my eye bags and like the darkness covered, and any veins or anything that you can see on your eyelid is covered, so that's great, and that's what we want. The pimple, the redness is a little bit gone, but you can still see it a little bit, so I don't really mind that. So we're gonna go ahead and set our concealer, and we're gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me in shade 20 Light Medium. And we're gonna use the same beauty sponge, and we're gonna be just putting this under both, and we're just gonna put this all over, and we're gonna just keep blending it in to get that nice finish. Just keep going. And we are also gonna put some, but not too much, right here down here, and we're just gonna keep dabbing it into the skin. So yeah, as you can tell, it's not that much, but there's some coverage there, that's what we want and stuff. So I just want to add like a little color, a little more color to my cheeks, and I'm gonna use this blush in Mellow Wine from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna use this angled brush right here from Beauty Creations, and I'm just gonna grab a little bit and dust most of it off, so we won't get that much pigment on our cheeks. And then we're just gonna smile and just put it on our cheeks. So as you can see, added just a little bit of like blush to it, like a little redness, pinkish, whatever you want to call it, to the cheeks. It looks nice and simple. So then to just like melt those products into the skin so it won't look powdery or anything, we're just gonna go with the setting spray and just spray it on our face. And I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, and this is the matte one right here. I'm just gonna spritz this, and I'm just gonna dab it so everything can melt into the skin perfectly. So I am going to be applying some mascara on, and I'm gonna use this Lash Blast Volume from CoverGirl. And so you could just build up the mascara if you're just gonna go like that. I would usually just wear like this, and I would just apply more mascara. And if I don't have my eyebrows done, but what I would also do is go in with the Gimme Brow one, and I would just go comb it in through just a little bit just to get some color in my eyebrows. So yeah, so you could do your filling your eyebrows if you want and stuff, and you know, that's an option. So the false lashes been applied, and I love this false lashes on this side a little bit better, because back here, I don't know, can you tell the difference? Like this one's like more separated and stuff, and these got like really like clumped up together, and they're it's because of the glue, since I have like the glue, not the, let me show you the glue. Just kidding, my sister kept it. But the glue is the glue where you just have to like push, like it comes out, kind of like the primer, you know, when you push it out, it comes out like that. And when she was applying it on the lashes, she pressed a little too hard, so a lot of glue came out, and it just like clumped there. So that's why this eyelashes, like all the lashes are kind of stuck together. That's why it kind of looks different. But yeah, which sucks, but I mean, we'll just work with what we have. And another thing, before you apply like the mascara and stuff, you could have just gotten a like a, oh my god, you could have gotten a light brown eyeshadow and just put it out here in the outer corner or all over your eyelid, just to give it a little more color or definition to your eyes. So yeah, just a quick tip. The next thing, for the last and final thing that we're gonna do on our face, we're gonna put on some lipstick, or yeah, some lipstick, and this is from Revlon, and this is the shade 880 in Marigold. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but yeah, it's the shade right here. And you could put a lip balm or gloss or nude color or something to give your lips a little more color and stuff, but I'm gonna use this. And what I like to do is just dab it on my lips, like not get a full-on pigment from the lipstick. So I just like to dab it just a little bit, okay. And I like to spread it around, just get a more, just to get like some color to my lips, but not too much that, you know, like you could tell I'm wearing lipstick or something. So this is like perfect. It's not that much in person, it's a little lighter in person. Like it just looks like my lips. So yeah, so this is basically it right here. Like you're probably like, this probably took me like 5 minutes or less to actually do if I didn't talk through it or stuff like that. And this is really great just for on the go. It's just like, you look like, it looks nice, you know, it looks like, you know, like you don't have makeup on, but you kind of do. It's like a no makeup look. And it's like, you got your concealer, you got your eye bags, you got put a little color, you know, like I don't know, it looks great. I love it. So basically the only thing that's gonna take you the longest is probably putting on your eyelashes or your eyebrows, because you know, if you do a little detail, more detail than just brush through it with the like a gel or something. So yeah, and I don't know, I actually like how this came out. I actually do this most of the time. Like sometimes when I don't want to wear makeup but I want to look a little like nice and a little put together, or if I'm running late to something, like to class or something, so I just put this on without the falsies actually, but I wanted to put them on for this video for today. So yeah. Oh, and I forgot to mention the eyelashes that I'm wearing are these from Ardell Wispies, and they're just these right here. Sorry, it's like the glare. These lashes right here. If hopefully you guys recreate something like this, or like the same steps or something like that for when you're on the go or something. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.